In this video, I'll show you how you can download the Realtek HD audio driver for your Windows. Now, first step, guys, is you need to open up a browser. From in here, what you're going to search for is Realtek audio driver TechSpot. Now, from here, you should see the TechSpot is the first one that pops up, and it will be the HD audio codec driver 2.82. Now, once you're in here, what you're going to do is you have the option to press download, and you have the 64-bit, 32-bit. And once you've pressed download, you should see the install instructions right here. You can simply follow these and it will show you how to do it. Now, it's really that simple, guys. There's not really much more to it. It will also show you how you can update it, how you can remove it, everything here. And here you can see the previous versions. So basically what you do is you simply just go to this website, press the download now, and you follow these simple instructions that it says right here. That's how you download it, guys. Super simple. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.